Chef Hansi. You know, near the pho pastor, the chicken pho, near Bistexco, open 24 hours. So I think it's the one I'm always good to eat because at night. Banh mi, yes, you have so many different banh mi, but I like the banh mi not with the Vietnamese cold cut, but the banh mi, they are charcoal grill with the chicken eggs and the pork meat or beef meat grill on a charcoal. It's banh mi Chak Nung. It's near the Tic Tac Street, near the Le Corto. And the guy have a small trolley. He did very good job. I love it. Oh, Oak is so many places I've been. I remember before I go often is the way we go to the Bien Bien Phu near the university UES. This street before we have a lot and the street is super good. On fine dining, you have some fine dining. I love it. Let's say Truffle Landmark, Coco Dining. But I think my first experience long time ago, it was Monkey Gallery, but now it's not the same chef. It's different, yeah. Omakase, yeah, they have one near my restaurant, Le Corto neighbor. Is Omakase Kai, I think K. Is yeah, he did very good job. What dish? I tell you, I can eat banh mi every day.